Stress is a natural response to challenging situations, but when it becomes overwhelming, it can affect both your mind and body. Recognizing the signs of stress is the first step to managing it. You might notice tension in your shoulders, rapid heartbeat, or racing thoughts. Everyone experiences stress differently, but the good news is there are quick and effective ways to lower it. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies you can use anytime, anywhere to regain your calm. Let's start by understanding what stress really is and why your body reacts the way it does. When you encounter a stressful situation, your body activates the fight or flight response. This is an ancient survival mechanism that prepares you to face danger. Hormones like adrenaline and cortisol flood your system, increasing your heart rate and sharpening your senses. While this response is helpful in emergencies, it can be harmful if triggered too often by everyday stressors. Understanding this process helps you recognize why you feel anxious or tense and why it's important to calm your body quickly. One of the fastest ways to lower stress is through controlled breathing. Deep, slow breaths signal your body to relax. Try this. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 4 seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth for 4 seconds. Repeat this cycle a few times. You'll notice your heart rate slowing and your mind becoming clearer. Breathing exercises can be done anywhere at your desk, in your car, or even in a crowded place. Progressive muscle relaxation is a simple technique that helps release physical tension. Start by tensing the muscles in your toes for a few seconds, then slowly release. Move up to your calves, thighs, and so on, all the way to your shoulders and neck. As you tense and relax each muscle group, you'll feel stress melting away. This method not only calms your body, but also helps you become more aware of where you hold tension. Mindfulness is about focusing your attention on the present moment. When you're stressed, your mind often races with worries about the future or regrets about the past. To practice mindfulness, simply notice your surroundings, your breath, and your sensations without judgment. Even a minute of mindful awareness can help break the cycle of stress and bring you back to a state of calm. Grounding techniques are practical tools to anchor yourself in the present. One popular method is the 5-4-3-2-1 exercise. Name 5 things you can see, 4 you can touch, 3 you can hear, 2 you can smell, and 1 you can taste. This sensory check-in helps distract your mind from stress and brings your focus back to the here and now. Visualization is a powerful way to reduce stress quickly. Close your eyes and imagine a peaceful place, a beach, a forest, or anywhere you feel safe. Picture the sights, sounds, and smells. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this calming scene. Visualization can help your mind and body relax, even if you only have a minute to spare. Physical activity is a proven way to lower stress fast. You don't need a full workout, even a brisk walk, stretching, or a few jumping jacks can help. Movement releases endorphins, the body's natural stress relievers. Next time you feel overwhelmed, try standing up and moving around for a few minutes. You'll likely notice a positive shift in your mood and energy. Stretching is a gentle way to release tension and improve circulation. Focus on areas where you feel tightness, like your neck, shoulders, or back. Hold each stretch for a few seconds and breathe deeply. Stretching not only helps your body relax, but also gives your mind a break from stress. It's a simple practice you can do at your desk or even while standing in line. Did you know that dehydration can make stress worse? When you're stressed, you might forget to drink water. Keeping a water bottle nearby and taking regular sips can help your body function better and support your mood. Staying hydrated is a simple but often overlooked way to help your body cope with stress. Eating a healthy snack can help stabilize your blood sugar and improve your mood. Choose foods like nuts, fruit, or yogurt instead of sugary or processed snacks. These options provide steady energy and can help you feel more balanced. Remember, what you eat can have a direct impact on how you feel, especially during stressful times. Music can have a powerful effect on your emotions. Listening to calming or uplifting music can quickly shift your mood and help you relax. Create a playlist of your favorite soothing songs and keep it handy for stressful moments. Even a few minutes of music can make a big difference in how you feel. Certain scents, like lavender or chamomile, are known for their calming effects. Aromatherapy can be as simple as using essential oils, scented candles, or even a cup of herbal tea. Take a moment to breathe in a soothing scent and notice how it helps you feel more relaxed. Aromatherapy is an easy way to create a calming environment wherever you are. Laughter is a natural stress reliever. Watching a funny video, reading a comic, or sharing a joke with a friend can instantly lighten your mood. Laughter triggers the release of endorphins, helping you feel happier and more relaxed. Don't underestimate the power of a good laugh when you're feeling overwhelmed. Social support is crucial for managing stress. Reach out to a friend, family member, or colleague when you're feeling overwhelmed. Even a brief conversation can help you feel understood and less alone. Sharing your feelings with someone you trust can provide comfort and perspective, making stress easier to handle. Sometimes, writing down your thoughts or expressing your feelings through art can help release stress. Journaling, drawing, or even doodling can provide an outlet for emotions and help you process what you're experiencing. You don't need to be an artist or a writer, just let your feelings flow onto the page. Focusing on what you're grateful for can shift your perspective and reduce stress. Take a moment to list 3 things you appreciate right now. They can be big or small, a supportive friend, a delicious meal, or a sunny day. Practicing gratitude regularly can help you build resilience and find calm even in tough times. Constant notifications and screen time can increase stress. Try stepping away from your phone or computer for a few minutes. Use this time to stretch, breathe, or simply look out the window. Taking regular digital breaks can help your mind reset and reduce feelings of overwhelm. Spending time outdoors, even for a few minutes, can lower stress levels. Fresh air, sunlight, and the sights and sounds of nature help calm your mind and body. If you can, take a short walk, sit in a park, or simply open a window to let in some natural light. Nature has a powerful effect on your mood and well-being. Interacting with pets can be incredibly soothing. Petting a dog or cat, watching fish swim, or even looking at animal videos can lower your stress. Animals provide comfort, companionship, and a sense of connection. If you have a pet, spend a few minutes with them when you're feeling tense. Meditation doesn't have to take long. Even a minute or 2 of focused breathing and stillness can help reset your mind. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breathing. Meditation is a powerful tool for calming stress quickly. Positive affirmations are short, encouraging statements you can repeat to yourself. Examples include, "I am calm," "I can handle this," or "this feeling will pass." Saying these phrases out loud or in your mind can help shift your mindset and reduce stress. Affirmations remind you of your strength and resilience. A body scan is a mindfulness exercise that helps you notice and release tension. Close your eyes and slowly bring your attention to each part of your body, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. Notice any areas of tightness and consciously relax them. This practice can help you feel more grounded and less stressed in just a few minutes. Using a stress ball or any small, squeezable object can help release physical tension. The act of squeezing and releasing helps your muscles relax and gives your mind a simple, repetitive task to focus on. Keep a stress ball at your desk or in your bag for quick relief whenever you need it. A warm cup of herbal tea, like chamomile or peppermint, can be soothing for both your body and mind. The ritual of making and sipping tea encourages you to slow down and take a break. The aroma and warmth can help you feel more relaxed and centered, making it a simple way to lower stress fast. A cluttered environment can add to your stress. Take a few minutes to tidy up your workspace or living area. Organizing your surroundings can help you feel more in control and create a sense of calm. Even small changes, like clearing your desk or making your bed, can make a big difference in your mood. Be gentle with yourself during stressful times. Remind yourself that it's okay to feel overwhelmed and that you're doing your best. Self-compassion involves treating yourself with the same kindness you'd offer a friend. This mindset can help you move through stress with greater ease and resilience. Splashing your face with cold water or holding a cold object can quickly shift your body out of stress mode. The sudden change in temperature activates your body's calming response. This simple trick is especially helpful if you're feeling panicked or overwhelmed. Gentle movements like yoga, tai chi, or simple stretching can help release tension and calm your mind. These practices combine movement with breath, encouraging relaxation and mindfulness. Even a few minutes of gentle movement can make a noticeable difference in your stress levels. Engaging your senses can help ground you and lower stress. Notice the colors, textures, and sounds around you. Hold a comforting object, listen to soothing music, or savor a favorite scent. Focusing on your senses brings you into the present and away from stressful thought. A short nap, even just 10 to 20 minutes, can help reset your mind and body. If you're feeling exhausted and stressed, find a quiet spot to rest. Power naps improve alertness, mood, and stress resilience. Just be sure not to nap too long, or you might feel groggy afterward. Guided relaxation exercises, such as audio recordings or apps, can help you unwind quickly. These guides lead you through breathing, visualization, or body scan exercises. Find a quiet place, put on your headphones, and follow along. Guided relaxation is especially helpful if you find it hard to relax on your own. Sometimes, stress comes from fighting against things you can't control. Practicing acceptance means acknowledging your feelings and the situation without judgment. This doesn't mean giving up, it means letting go of resistance and focusing on what you can change. Acceptance can bring a sense of peace, even in difficult moments. Having a small, comforting object like a smooth stone, a piece of jewelry, or a favorite pen can help you feel grounded. Hold or touch the object when you're feeling stressed. The familiar sensation can bring comfort and remind you that you're safe. Sometimes, simply changing your environment can help reduce stress. Step into another room, go outside, or rearrange your workspace. A new perspective can help break the cycle of stressful thoughts and refresh your mind. Multitasking can increase stress and make you feel scattered. Try focusing on one task at a time. Break big projects into smaller steps and tackle them one by one. This approach helps you feel more in control and reduces overwhelm. Humor is a great way to diffuse stress. Watch a funny video, read a comic strip, or recall a humorous memory. Laughter relaxes your body, boosts your mood, and helps you see challenges in a new light. Don't be afraid to find the lighter side of a stressful situation. Let's revisit deep breathing, as it's one of the most effective stress busters. Try the 4-7-8 technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. This method slows your heart rate and calms your nervous system. Practice it whenever you need quick relief. Visualization isn't just for relaxation, it can also help you feel more confident and in control. Imagine yourself handling a stressful situation with calm and ease. Picture the outcome you want. This mental rehearsal can reduce anxiety and help you approach challenges with a clearer mind. Massaging your temples, neck, or shoulders can help release tension and promote relaxation. Use gentle, circular motions and focus on areas where you feel tight. Self-massage is a quick and easy way to care for yourself when you're feeling stressed. A mantra is a word or phrase you repeat to help focus your mind and calm your thoughts. Choose a simple phrase like peace, let go, or I am safe. Repeat it silently or out loud whenever you feel stressed. Mantras can help anchor your attention and create a sense of calm. Box breathing is a simple technique used by athletes and first responders to stay calm under pressure. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold again for 4. Repeat this cycle several times. Box breathing helps regulate your nervous system and brings quick relief from stress. Knowing what triggers your stress can help you manage it more effectively. Take note of situations, people, or thoughts that consistently make you feel tense. Once you're aware of your triggers, you can develop strategies to avoid or cope with them. Awareness is the first step toward lasting stress relief. Build a personal toolkit of stress relief strategies that work for you. This might include breathing exercises, a favorite playlist, a calming object, or a list of supportive contacts. Having these tools ready makes it easier to manage stress when it arises. Your toolkit is unique to you. Fill it with whatever helps you feel calm and centered. Lowering stress quickly is possible with the right tools and mindset. From breathing exercises and movement to mindfulness and social support, you have many options to choose from. Remember, it's normal to feel stressed sometimes, but you don't have to stay stuck in it. Try out these techniques and see which ones work best for you. With practice, you'll become more resilient and better equipped to handle whatever comes your way.